Sewing, a skill every girl should possess, provides numerous benefits. It's an enjoyable and creative outlet, allowing girls to express their personal style through unique, fashionable garments. Sewing also enhances independence, as it teaches efficiency in selecting and completing tasks, as well as problem-solving skills. Furthermore, sewing saves money by making your own clothes and promotes sustainability by repurposing old fabrics. It also offers therapeutic benefits, aiding stress reduction and relaxation through personal projects. Moreover, sewing is beneficial for all, whether for practicality, creativity, or personal empowerment. Dedicate time and effort to mastering this skill, and you'll find it highly rewarding.